Why HotelBaazar.com? HotelBaazar has a variety of products, such as bed linen of all shapes and sizes, glassware for any occasion, body care essentials, and many more. All this with the best quality and the best price you'll come across. And if it is not enough, we have coupons and discounts waiting for you. At HotelBaazar, anything you need at your fingertips. And if you bought something you are not particularly satisfied with, we are more than happy to help. We have a customer-friendly refund policy. And you can easily get in touch with us through our online chat messenger. We make sure our products are sanitized before shipping. With our fast and reliable delivery service, we'll get your package to you through sandstorms, scorching heat, and heavy traffic. A hassle-free one-stop shop for all your hotel needs. Get in touch and start shopping today.